I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Park the BMW X5 on level ground, engage the parking brake, and switch off ignition and all electronics. Open the hood and identify the 12-volt battery. Many X5 models use a 12-volt, 70Ah starter battery located in the engine bay or under the trunk floor. Put on gloves and eye protection. If available, use a 12-volt memory saver to preserve vehicle electronics. Otherwise, record radio presets and clock. Gather tools: insulated wrench, 10mm socket, ratchet, battery carrier strap, and protective mat. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal first to prevent short circuits. Use a 10mm socket and insulated wrench. Then disconnect the positive terminal and secure cables away from the battery. Remove any plastic covers and unbolt the hold-down bracket. Torque for clamp bolts is typically 6 Nm, so snug them but do not over-torque. Use a battery carrier strap and lift the battery straight up, keeping it level to prevent acid spills. Place the old battery on a protective tray and prepare it for recycling at an approved facility. Position the new 12-volt, 70Ah battery into the tray, ensuring correct orientation and that it sits flat. Refit and tighten the hold-down bracket to about 6 Nm to prevent movement. Reconnect the positive terminal first and then the negative terminal, checking for firm, clean contacts and applying a corrosion inhibitor if needed. Start the vehicle and verify electrical systems operate. Use BMW iDrive or an OBD programming tool to register the battery so the charging system learns its state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.